Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Me and my dad, we're going to wash my dad's car.
Can you show us how to splash?
Don't use that one. Use the one inside. Yeah, just show us how you do it when you splash.
We're doing like this. I'm washing it in the windows and here and everywhere from the car.
And then you splash yourself and you splash in the first substance.
My dad is a funny guy. We are drying up now.
Same cloth. You do it, just go.
Like what?
Not that fast.
Can I close the door? Whatever you say. Be like everybody.
This car just had a little bit of dust, but now the windows, yes, it's like ghosts are trying to come out of the car. Yes, thank you.
Hi guys, this is the other stuff we wash our car. Look only like this.
Zilure. Jika bang murag.
You can take it with.
It was nice washing my dad's car with me and thanks for watching. Bye.
I'm gonna come around and shoot.